In Nigeria, we call this fuke fuke. Yeah, fuke fuke. He had me right. I used to do this a lot when I was little, so I'm so happy that I get the chance to do it now again. Like, I've been looking for this styrofoam since, and I finally got to see it, and I'm so happy I'm going to be doing this. So if you have any styrofoam or fuke fuke at home, all you need to do is to get your fuel. Yes, that's what I'm going to be using. I'm using fuel for my own. Most people use other things, but I will be using fuel for my own. That's what I've been using since. That's what I've been using since I was little. So that's what I am still going to do or use now. So you get your fuel, add your fuel to a container. So if you don't have enough fuke fuke or styrofoam, your fuel should not be too much, because you don't want the fuel more than the styrofoam. So now you get your fuel, you add your fuel to a container, and then you start putting your styrofoam inside. Don't worry, immediately you're putting it, it's melting straight up. Like, it's going to melt immediately, so, or it's going to dissolve, yeah, immediately. So you just keep putting it in till you're done with the whole styrofoam, or till the fuel turns to gum. So yeah, that is what we are trying to make. We are making gum. So most of my videos these days, I've been using super glue, I've been using gum, and it is expensive, guys. So I decided to make mine. Since I can actually make my own gum, I decided to make my own gum so that it will be super easy for me. So if you have styrofoam at home and you're in Lagos and you don't need it, please call me to come and pack everything, because I would love to make more of this. So we're just going to make gum with this, and it is super easy. Like, it is not stressful at all. It is not stressful. It is super easy, and it is something you can make at home. It is something you can make at your own comfort zone. And also, you can use this on anything, but please do not take this close to fire, because it is gum we are making. So I added more fuel because the gum was already getting thick, and I still had more I still have more styrofoam or more fuke fuke. So that was why I added more fuel. So this was how we used to make gum when we were little. Like, fuke fuke was always available and then you could get fuel from anywhere. So we were always making gum. Like, I'm not sure I ever ran out of this when I was little. I am not sure at all, because it was always available, and you can use this to gum anything. You can use this to gum your book, you can use this to gum your shoe, you can use this to gum anything. If you put this on anything, once it dries up, that's the end. So do not ever underestimate the power of this. All you need to be careful of is taking it close to fire. You must never take this close to fire, because anything can happen since it is fuel we're using. But this is very strong. This is super strong, guys, and it is actually very easy to make. It's actually very easy to create. Please do not forget to like, do not forget to comment, and do not forget to subscribe if you've not. Also, after subscribing, please turn on the notification bell so that anytime we post video, you'll be notified, because we post 3 videos every day, 3 long videos actually every day. So feel free to always come back to our channel to check out our next upload, our next content. And we have so many interesting videos on our channel. We have so many amazing videos. We have so many educational videos on our channel. We have so many things you can actually learn from. We have so many things that would catch your interest and all of that. And also, if you're done going through our channel and you feel there's something you would want to see that is not there, feel free to let us know in the comment section. And if it is something we can actually do, we promise to do that right away. So feel free to just let us know in the comment section, and we are super going to do that. So take a tour on our channel, please. Just feel free, have fun, check our channel, let us know what you think, and also let us know what you think about this video in the comment section. I know most people will have issues with this because I used fuel, but that's the fastest way actually to make this. That's the fastest way to make gum, or that's the fastest way I've been making gum. So I kept adding fuel little by little. I didn't want to add everything at once. so that the fuel is not more than the styrofoam. I don't have enough styrofoam, so I don't want to get stuck on the way, and I really need the gum, because the next video I'll be doing, I might need a lot of gum. So that's why I had to like be careful. So if you know you don't have enough styrofoam and you seriously want to do this, just make sure to be adding the fuel bit by bit. Don't add everything once, so that you don't miscalculate. So that is just very easy to make. Just two ingredients, fuel and fuke or styrofoam. In fact, this thing has so many names, I don't know, but the only name I know is fuke. As you can see, it's already turned into gum. Actually, like, the thing is already turned into gum. And once you're done with everything, once the fuke or styrofoam is no longer melting, that means your gum is already super ready. So you just have to keep putting the styrofoam or fuke in till it's no longer melts, till it is thick. So till it is already 100% gum. And trust me, you use this on anything and that's the end. Like, it gums immediately. I don't know, have you tried this before? Will you love to try this? Let us know in the comment section. So I'll be using this on paper. I'll be using it to gum paper, so you will see that yes, truly it works. Like, it can gum anything gummable, paper, plastic, your shoe, your book, anything. It would actually gum. All you need to do is to put it there and allow it sit till it dries up, and it is that easy. It is that simple. As you can see, we made our very own gum, guys. We made our own gum. Like if you know how long I've been looking for this, like if you know how long I've actually been looking for this, I'm so happy I finally get to make my own gum, and now I can do and undo. I can do anything I want to with gum. Actually, I don't have to look for gum to buy again. So now, as you can see, we are done and our gum is 100% ready. So that's all. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you on our next video and all of our videos. And once again, happy new year. Thank you. Have an amazing day. Bye.